Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delay on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of delay on Gmail, you will click on Settings. In this page, you can click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. On above, you can search about Gmail app and you will click. Then you can click on First Step and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.